Hey guys, Kasai here. Today I plan to show you a tutorial on how to make a pair of super cool shoes. The things you'll be needing for this is a pair of shoes, glue and fabric. I got a pair of shoes. These are Sachi. I don't know that brand, but if it's a very well-known brand then and I got these for $17.99. These are size 7.5. Now we're going to start by lining the fabric just with some form of crayon or pen, and starting with the strap. So this is probably only a few inches long and it's no thicker than an inch. Make sure this goes around the shoe and then glue it down with some glue. Remember, you also have to do the edges and fold it over. Make sure you glue this down also. Next you'll be cutting out a small square for the buckle. You have to cut about halfway in the middle of the square. This is purely to go around the bit for the buckle. Yeah, that bit. This is a really difficult part and it actually probably took me almost half an hour just to have it in the right position. But when you do, you just got to glue it down the same process as before. Next you'll be moving on to the front part of the shoe. This ends up being a bit like a rectangle, and then you'll be having like a small square that you cut in the center solely to help wrap around the shoe. If this is a peep toe shoe like this one here, you might want to do another small, and I repeat very small, square as well, because then you can wrap it around on the toe of the shoe, which I will show eventually. Do not hesitate to stretch the material and try to make sure that you get it as flat as possible. After doing that, cut away any excess pieces and then glue down the last little bits at the bottom of the shoe. So if this is a peep toe shoe, as I said before, I'm using a small piece of scrap that's almost triangular, and I'm just gluing that onto the inside just so then you don't have any of the previous material showing. You don't have to do this obviously, but this is just to make the shoe look a little bit nicer on my end. Next we'll be moving on to the heel, which you will be measuring out. It's just a light sketch really, and this will probably be in the shape of a rectangle yet again. There will be a lot of parts you'll have to cut off, but you should start from the bottom of the shoe and then work your way up with the glue especially. Once you've glued it to the top of the heel, start to cut away excess pieces. I did not cut away the top part of the excess pieces and decided just to take it all the way to the top. You don't have to do this obviously, but I thought this might save me on some fabric. Then do the same process as before and glue down the bottom of the thing. And yeah. The next part is the last section, so this will cover the rest of the shoe. You do two parts to it. It is going to be a rectangular kind of shape. After measuring it, you'll want to copy the exact way you did it before, and you'll have to cut out a small square piece for the buckle and also the strap side. Repeat the process once you have it in the right position. After repeating this process, you're pretty much done. I painted the bottom of my shoes red just to finish it off. And yeah, if you liked this video, please like or subscribe. If you want to follow any of my other accounts, well, here they are now. See ya!